We're gonna have another get it done day today for the most part, but what we're gonna do today is some bed liner. We got a Raptor liner. This is the kit. You're gonna have to get a gun for it. Pretty simple stuff. It's just a shoots gun. Stick it on your jug. This is what's gonna be in your box. 4 of these and 1 of these. Basically, you just fill it to the line, shake it up, put it on your gun, spray it. We did all the prep work already. Everything's ready to go. We got seam sealer in our bed. What we're gonna do, because of all the damage in this one, we're gonna spray epoxy primer in it first, let that flash off, and then go right over that with the bed liner. Hopefully get a good durable coating that lasts a long time and looks a lot better. So we're gonna get it masked up and catch back up. Done deal, guys. Nice crisp lines. For as beat up as this thing was, that looks amazing. Very happy with the way this turned out. And that black on white contrast, hell yeah, all day. All day. Pretty good product. We put in a ton of time getting this thing ready. That's the thing. You got 2 things are going to make a good product. You got preparation and solid product out of the can. We use a good product that we know, the industry's trusted this name for a long time, and we had to put in the hours. We did that, and now this is what we got. Awesome. Tailgate. Sucker looks brand new. So that's going to do it for today. So hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, go find a project, get dirty.